Residents of Campercola Society in upscale Worli in Mumbai attempted on Friday to save their homes from the prospect of demolition. They put up stiff resistance against Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai officials who reached the compound accompanied by policemen to disconnect water, power and piped gas supplies to 102 illegal flats. They locked up the society gates, placed bamboo poles, formed a human barricade led by women and children and performed public pujas and havans in an attempt to stall the razing of their homes. After a failed bid in the morning, the team of MCGR and police officials withdrew, only to return in the evening in a bid to convince the occupants of the illegal flats to vacate, but in vain.
किसी भी तरह हम उनको कन्विंस करेंगे कि वो कोऑपरेट करें पुलिस और महापालिका को, और जो भी हम कार्रवाई करने जा रहे हैं हम उनको सहयोग दें।
बल का इस्तेमाल नहीं होगा?
बल का इस्तेमाल आज नहीं होगा।
कल हो सकता है, शनिवार को?
हम बाद में तय करेंगे, डिपेंड्स और उनका क्या रवैया इसके साथ में वो है, लेकिन इतना तय है कार्रवाई तो हो जाएगी।
As a precautionary measure, the civic agency videographed its attempt to enter the society and may submit it as evidence for its failure to act on the Supreme Court's order. But the residents are refusing to let go of their flats. They claim they are innocent victims of the machinations of the builders and officials and demand that they be penalized instead.
बहुत कड़ा वक्त है और हमें आज मजबूर किया जा रहा है कि हम ये स्टेप लें। जब 6 महीने सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बोला था बीएमसी और सीएम को कि आप निकालिए, तब उन्होंने निकाला नहीं। इलेक्शंस खत्म हो गए, 5 मई को उन्होंने हाथ खड़े कर दिए। कहाँ का कानून है कि एक आम आदमी की सुनवाई नहीं होती।
हमें ये प्रार्थना है सीएम साहब से कि उन्होंने जब कहा है कि सॉलिसिटर जनरल से वो ओपिनियन लेंगे, तो ओपिनियन का क्या हुआ, हमें यही पूछना है।
The residents were joined by several leaders and activists across political parties who urged the authorities concerned to take steps to prevent the demolition or at least give more time to the residents. But the state and central governments pleaded helplessness before the Apex Court's order that the illegal flats be vacated.
What can we do after the court order? That is the issue. We have a sympathy for those people, but now it has gone to an advanced stage.
न्यायालय का ये फैसला हो जाना कि उनको खाली करना पड़ेगा, तो जाहिर है उनके लिए तो बहुत मुसीबत है ये, और लेकिन अदालत का फैसला जाहिर है कि वो अंतिम फैसला है और उसमें सरकार कुछ भी नहीं कर सकती।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट का कोई भी फैसला हो उस पे अमल करना सरकार की मजबूरी है, लेकिन मेरी तमाम सहानुभूति उन तमाम लोगों के साथ है।
The Supreme Court had on the 3rd of June dismissed the plea of the residents of the illegal flats in the Campercola Housing Society against an earlier order asking them to vacate their premises by the 31st of May. The bench had also rejected the submission that the demolition be put off till the time the Apex Court decides the curative petition of the Residents Association in the case. The civic body is slated to demolish the flats after disconnecting access to essential services. The residents of the illegal flats are now clutching at the last straw, hoping some intervention will bring the respite they desperately seek. With Yogesh and Shishir in Mumbai, Newsnight Desk, DD News.